I've been a technology integrator for 30 years. I spent the first part of my career in Washington, D.C., working as a contractor consultant, mostly to the U.S. Department of Justice. But I really had some neat opportunities as the internet was being built to integrate and implement new technology to create some really interesting products. So, for example, I built the first prototype to scan the president's mail at the White House. I later went to the United Nations and built the database systems for the War Crimes Tribunal in The Hague. And after I came back, I ended up in New York City. Was with PricewaterhouseCoopers for a little bit, consulting with startup companies around the country. And then I went and started my own company and had my own little consulting firm for 10 years, where I built some pretty big systems, including a natural language processing system for emergency management for the state of New York. And then I spent 7 years contracting to the U.S. Department of Homeland Security, working on some other really big national systems, including a system for opioid tracking and a system or the dashboard for monitoring election security. And now I want to use my experience and expertise to build something that will really, I hope, help generation of students and build a pathway for better learning for future generations.